Hey guys, Anthony here. It's Thursday, March 30th, 2017, and as I promised, I have a quick review on the OUTXE battery bank that I told you guys about in some other videos. This is it here. I've had the unit now for a couple of days, and I've been testing it, using it, and just putting it through some paces so I know how to operate it. And I want to see how good it was. Definitely like this unit. It is a little bit bulky, but I wanted it that way because it is IP67 rated. We'll go over some of the specs in a minute, but it is one of those rugged ones that you could put in your bug out bag, take with you on the road, wherever you're going, in a bug out situation, an SHTF situation, a grid down, disaster, whatever. You're going to have with this unit, this is the PC, you see the model number there, 20,100 milliamp hour unit here with a lithium battery. So you're going to be able to charge your iPhone, your Android multiple times. Let's go over some of the specs on this. Here's just quickly, your power button is here. You press that once and it'll give you the reading of what's left in the battery. Press it twice, you'll get the flashlight mode, which I don't really use, but the flashlight has 3 different modes, including an SOS mode. You've got your waterproof door here. So to open it, you just slide one of these little buttons over like that, and you just kind of lift it a little bit, and it folds open. It exposes 2 USBs, 5-volt USBs, and then right here is your micro USB, and that's how you actually recharge the unit itself. So to recharge the unit itself, you just plug in the micro USB here, and then you plug in this to any USB device, your laptop, battery bank, your Goal Zero battery, whatever you're using to charge it, and this will recharge. And then when you're done, you're going back out in the field or you're packing it away, you just kind of shut the door on one end, push this down on the other end, and slide the little trap door. You just make sure this is fully in on each side. And then you're waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, mudproof with this unit. A very, very important feature that I wanted. And the 20,100 milliamp hour is a good amount to have in the field. Now, other videos that I do, I'll show you how I will charge this off of my solar panel, my solar panel that I got in a few days ago. So today's video, we're just going to show this unit, and we're going to give it a test in a minute here. So it's multifunction flashlight, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, IP67 rating, broad compatibility with USB-enabled devices with 5-volt input, iPhones, Android phones, tablets, and more. Multiple circuit protection, prevents short circuit and over discharging. This is some of the specs right here. You guys can see that. If you stop the video right here, you should be able to read that. Okay. So, and then there's different languages on here on the directions here. So basically what I'll do now is I have my iPhone. I'm going to show you how it works. And what I did was I invested about 10 bucks into one of these little Drock testers. And you could put it on different devices and it'll show you what voltage and amps are coming out, and several other, it has a bunch of different other things that it shows you. But today we'll just use it to show you what's coming out of this device. So I'm going to turn it on. And you see the battery level indicators show blue. They're fully charged. Okay. I flew this week. I had a fly for business. I took this with me. I used it last night at the airport up in Charlotte to recharge my phone and bring it back from 30% up to like 80 or 90%. And a little, just time when I was sitting around. So we'll open up the door here. And now we'll put my iPhone charging cable into the USB. Okay, so that's plugged in there, and that's ready to go into the phone. Just want to mention, when you when this is down to 1 bar, it took me about 8 hours to charge it off my computer to bring it up to full charge. That's what I experienced so far. So I'll get more data on that as I actually, we're going to plug the tester into the unit and then plug the phone into the tester so we can see what we're putting out here. So right off the bat, I plugged it in, and you see that it's given 5.15 volts. Okay, so now on the tester you have a USB 1 and a USB 2. I'm going to put the iPhone into USB 1. Okay, so it's in USB 1. Then I'm going to plug it into the iPhone, and I'll show you what it reads. Okay. First of all, it is charging my phone. You can see that, the upper corner there. That here. You've got the little lightning bolt. So it's charging the phone. And there's the readings. 5.02 volts, 0.98, or almost 1 amp. And that's what the iPhone uses there. So there's the reading from that, and it is putting out the proper power to charge my iPhone. And I know it worked because I used it straight off the iPhone, with the iPhone directly plugged into here yesterday. So it does work. So that is the OUTXE charger. Now again, what this charger also does is, I'm going to do a video on it to show you, it'll be able to plug in my dual battery charger here by X-Star. I can plug the battery charger into the OUTXE device and then top off batteries right from the device using the battery charger. So these in conjunction in the field, in a bug out situation or an SHTF, and as long as you have rechargeable batteries, you'll be able to recharge them with your battery bank, and then recharge the battery bank with your solar panel, and then keep that process going indefinitely. That's what my goal was to have in my bug out bag, to have a ability to recharge a battery device using a solar panel and then dumping the power into different small devices that I have in my kit. Flashlight batteries primarily, and my phone and GPS batteries would be some of the main things that I would use it for. So that's the OUTXE. I'll put the link in the description box. 49 bucks, I believe it was, but I'll put the link in the description box. I bought it on Amazon, and again, very hefty device, definitely rugged, definitely will take a beating. And watch some other videos on YouTube on it, and you'll see that it definitely is worth it. There are some other sleeker looking devices, or smaller, I should say, maybe a little lighter also. But you drop them in the water or get them wet, or they drop and they don't work in the field, it's going to be useless. Maybe just used as a brick or a doormat, a door holder or something like that. But this, I think this will last. So that's the OUTXE 20,100 milliamp hour battery bank. Thanks for joining me, guys. Questions, comments, let me know. Take care. Stay ready. Got some other videos coming up this weekend. Want to highlight my new hatchet by Holtzbrook right here. Just got it in last night, and so I'm looking forward to testing this. This is going to be part of my bug out kit as well. I wanted a good hatchet, and I don't think you can go wrong with this one. 15-inch handle, £1.25 head, nice sharp blade, and a cover here for great work in the field processing wood or whatever. Okay. So videos on that are going to come up as well. All right, guys, take care. Stay ready.